Hey guys, it's Sylvester from Racecutz, and today I will show you the new Ducati Desmo 450 MX mockup we just finished. And first off, I'm just gonna jump straight into it, upload a design so you can see the graphics on the bike. So I'm gonna go up to the layers panel and I'm gonna double click on the mockup, the smart object here. When I double click on that, it's gonna open Illustrator. And from Illustrator, we want to upload our design on top of these turquoise, the template. So I just opened a file here, and what we need is the bleed layer, and we need the design layer. So I'm gonna mark both of them, and I'm gonna press Ctrl C. I'm gonna go back into the mockup, the smart object in Illustrator. I'm gonna go to the design layer and I'm gonna press Ctrl F so it uploads straight on top of the template. And after that, I'm just gonna clean up some pieces that overlaps some of the parts we need to use, like the fork stickers and the bike stand. For now, I'm just gonna make that red. And now we're actually ready to go in Photoshop. So I'm gonna press Ctrl S, and then it will upload the design in the Photoshop file. So we should have a loading button right here soon. Should have. I'm just gonna go back in, press Ctrl S again, see if anything happens. Now it works. And then now we just need to wait for the updating of the smart objects, and that depends a lot regarding which computer you have and the settings, how fast it is. It can take like maybe 20 seconds to 5 minutes, I would say. And now the smart object is uploaded, and I'm ready to show you the different views we have. So this is the first view. I'm just gonna hide the layer. And afterwards here we have the second view, which is a 45 degrees front view, and we have a similar for the rear view. We have a fully front view, and we have a close-up, which is super nice for social media and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna work on the side view here. I'm gonna open up the layer panel, just gonna hide this one, and the design, that's all the smart objects. But if you go to color, you have different variations you can do on the bike. So for the plastic color, if you have made another design than I have here, we can make the plastic color white. We can make it all sorts of colors. As you can see, if I'm just gonna hide the design panel, you can see the plastic color changes here. I'm just gonna stick with the red. And then we also have the fork, where you can change the fork leg color here. I try to aim for like a Kashima brown coating, and also the triple clamps. So we just have to double click on these layers to change it. So here we can have like an aftermarket triple clamp look. For the frame, we have the lower frame here. We have the upper frame, where we can change the color if you want maybe a black frame. We have likewise for the swing arm here. Something just happened here, I can see with the design. I'm just gonna look into that. Looks a bit funny, but we can make that black also. And also some other options like the rims, if you want red rims, and the bar pad if you don't have a red design. It's maybe a good idea to change the red bar pad. And also the seat color. We have where you can change the ribbons, you can change the top color, you can change the side color. So if the side color should be black on this one, we can just change that. So there's loads of different options in the mockup file where you can change to make the bike suit the design you have created. And what you need to do is, for each view, you have to change the colors. So if you change the plastic color on view 2, you have to do it the same on view 1 if you want to include all the different views. So that is how our mock-up for the Ducati works, and we hope you like it, and if you do, we will continue to create a lot more bikes. So thank you for watching.